M&T is a community bank headquartered in Buffalo, New York, with about 22,000 employees. As part of that, we're sitting here on the 23rd floor, overlooking the city of Buffalo from the Tech Academy, which is M&T's commitment to downtown Buffalo. Tech Hub is this really cool, buzzing catalyst for the innovation corridor that is full of tech ecosystem companies that are driving innovation and sparking entrepreneurial activity. And one of the things that all of those companies are seeing and experiencing when they're walking into our spaces, as is the Cisco Spaces kiosk in the lobby, which has been critical in helping us move around this 13th floor, 330 square foot building. So what we've seen here is that if you're going to have a place where employees want to come to work, where it's going to be a productive place for them to work, you need to give them the tools to be able to facilitate that productive work. And so that's where we've seen things like the Cisco Spaces, where we can quickly identify which conference rooms are available for work.
This far, we deployed smart workspaces with WebEx integration. Our colleagues are to go on one of the 3 kiosks that we already deployed and search for the 3D map on a certain floor. And on this map, they would see the available rooms, but they also would see rooms that are already booked or rooms that are occupied. Finding a room, it's nice, but being able to see in advance, like the temperature of the room or the air quality, that caused a lot of positive feedback. We are working currently on onboarding Meraki and creating that integration between Meraki and Spaces to enable wayfinding. Cisco Spaces, being part of the Cisco family, really brings a lot of advantages because you guys pulled a lot of support and experts every time that we needed to integrate something. So integrating video conference rooms or integrating Meraki or integrating Catalyst environment into Spaces, we got a lot of support from the extended Cisco family together with Spaces.
When we were in One Pen, we heard them talking about like the concept of stay home to compute and commute to collaborate. And we've kind of taken that off of Cisco, and we've definitely used and socialized that in some of our meetings here.
Absolutely.
And we talk about the me space versus the we space ratio here and how important making engaging we spaces where people want to collaborate since they're in the office.
Our buildings and our spaces are becoming more and more complex. And if you're just coming in the building for one-day collaboration with your colleagues, it's hard to find a specific conference room or a specific location. So wayfinding is going to be crucial for us to be able to make the spaces easier to be found by our colleagues. It would be great to just go to the kiosk or to the app and just choose the desk that you're gonna be using for the current day. As we were mentioning, we have a great collaboration with our space planning colleagues, and they are already asking us for data about space occupancy, air temperature, air quality, foot patterns, like foot traffic patterns. So we are super excited about all these announcements.